ufike emsebenzini. Siyabonga ukuhlanganisa ngokuhlakanipha nangokukhuthala kwethu. Sicela ukuthi namhlanje kuqala amen.
Hello guys, so Rich Durban club yaseThekwini eyaziwayo nje edumile hayi ke shuthi bebethandaza ke before beqala ukusebenza and then baposta ku social media abantu kuma comments coming for them as if ikhona into wrong kade benza kazi ine wrong ukuthandaza. It doesn't matter ukuthi uyokwenzani or wenza muphi umsebenzi, thandaza nje. uNkulunkulu doesn't judge anyone. Ayike people were coming for them in my comments. Aswafundeka ama-comments ambalwa uthi lona I'm not sure which God they are praying to. Bangaki onkulunkulu baziyo wena? Come on, can you just chill? Athi lona hayi kabi, this prayer and reaching God. Hayibo kahle wena, indaba engakuyithathaphi uyiphenduleleke laphana ke uJunior. I think uJunior we promoting Satanism using the name of God is wild. Wayiphendulela kuJunior laphana wathi people are having fun. Abonje yini ngipela yini like angiboni mina into wrong lapho because people are having fun like seriously. Now uyaphuza I'm sure lo muntu obhalele comment nawe uyaphuza kushuthi naye ke naye kushuthi ke naye unosathane ke ngoba phela like yaphuza abantu baba happy. I don't understand what's the problem. Shuthi wena owenza ivideo ubungacimezile, obviously ubengacimezile, ubezoyenza kanjani ivideo evala amehlo because bekumele ivele wonke umuntu kwivideo. Hey, only God can judge. Hey, this is a very good comment. This is 100% true. Only God can judge. Sfebe is praying before selling the whole night. Hayibo wena badayisela wena wake wathenga. Hayibo indaba engaka. Hey, ayibandla. Job is job and God is always God. I'm proud and happy to see this. Clock it, clock it, clock it, clock it. Clock it, son. Prayer went straight to spam. Hayibo wena. To spam. Sengithi spam. To spam. Indaba engaka. Anikahleni ukufoster man. Hayibo. Kahle we means. Kahle menzi yini fostayo la because people are just praying. Cha nikhona Junior. Hayi ayishuthi inkulu into yade beyenza. Yini wrong guys ngokuthandaza? Nithanda ukubuka ngezinto ezirong. Sekwaba wrong nini ke manje ukuthi abantu bathandaze? I don't understand honestly. Babonge nje ukuhlanganiswa yabona nje. Angikwazi ngisho ukuyifunda le comment because like what? Guys, abantu are such haters. People are such haters like for no reason. Yini wrong ukuthandaza? Hayibo guys, come on. I want their church location. Guys, this is not a church. This is a club. It's called Rich Durban. Nje, club akusili sonto. I wonder ukuthi kudumani emakhanda abo ngoba bevale amehlo nje. What do you mean kudumani? They are praying. Duma umthandazo. Prayer but doing Satan's work. Hayibo, umsebenzi kaSathane manje ukusebenza. Guys, it's just working, just a job. Pray we sell out lo Mzambia. Hayi ke besingazi ukuthi badayisa uMzambia sizwa ngawe ke. I hope unayo proof yalento ekhulumayo because praying to sell more as asazi kudayisa nabona information engaka guys nithathaphi or you just assuming. Ngakhuluma into engayazi. Yazi will be better if they prayed emakubo. This is I can't pronounce that word. Kodwa ke sobonani emathuneni. Phuma endabeni zabantu, phuma. Thandaza wena ke mafuna ukuthandaza again. A good prayer before spiking people's drinks. Baya spikana futhi. Hayi cha intsha ke leyo information isiqala ukizwa ngawe. Uyithathaphi lento eshoyo? Hayibo, this is the end of asking God for power. Hey, people had a lot to say. Yazi ngicela ukutshela ukuthi labantu abasebenza laphana eklabhini ungathola ukuthi baney'nhliziyo ezinhle, they are good people. More than you guys, and who goes to church, who don't drink. That's it for now. See you on my next one.